Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, the DAIWO Staking Testnet. If you've been hunting for early Web3 opportunities and possible airdrops, you'll want to pay close attention. Let's break down how you can join, stake, and get ahead of the crowd. So, what exactly is DAIWO? It's a next-gen staking investment system that's building on-chain strategies for everyone. Right now, they've launched their testnet, and this is your chance to explore the platform risk-free while also making yourself eligible for future rewards. Step 1. Go to the DAIWO testnet website. Connect your wallet. MetaMask or any EVM-compatible wallet works. No real funds needed since this is testnet. Step 2. Get some test tokens. Once you're loaded, head over to the staking dashboard. Here, you can choose a pool and start staking. The idea is to simulate real staking, locking up tokens, and watching rewards grow. Step 3. Track your rewards. DAIWO is testing how their strategies perform in different pools, so the more active you are, the better. And remember, every action you take on the testnet, staking, claiming, interacting, could help you get whitelisted for a potential airdrop when the mainnet goes live. And that's it! Super simple. Connect your wallet, stake on the testnet, and secure your spot for what could be an exciting launch. Don't sleep on this, so jump in while you can. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're already staking with DAIWO. Let's grow together in this Web3 journey.